Industry 4.0. Manufacturing has undergone several eras of change from the first industrial revolution to a third era, defined by increased automation of manufacturing processes due to use of information technology. A fourth era of change, Industry 4.0, is driven by trends on connectivity, digital twin, and rapid prototyping. Networks of advanced manufacturing devices controlled by computers, combining them into a physical digital environment. This change includes the entire value chain from raw materials to end use to recovery, impacting business and support functions too. Some of the core technologies at the heart of Industry 4.0 are as follows. Cyber physical system. Cyber physical system, also sometimes known as cyber manufacturing, refers to an Industry 4.0 enabled manufacturing environment that offers real-time data collection, analysis, and transparency across every aspect of manufacturing operations. Machine learning. Machine learning refers to the ability that computers have to learn and improve on their own through artificial intelligence without being explicitly told or programmed to do so. IIoT. IIoT stands for the Industrial Internet of Things, a concept that refers to the connection between people, data, and machine as they relate to manufacturing. Big data. Big data refers to large set of structured or unstructured data that can be compiled, stored, organized, and analyzed to reveal patterns, trends, associations, and opportunities. Cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the practice of using interconnected remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process information. Rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping is the general term for those technologies that, based on a geometrical representation, create physical objects by successive addition of material. With vast variety of technologies and materials being developed, rapid prototyping is going to play a significant role in Industry 4.0. One of the key technologies which we would be discussing in this video would be digital twin. Now, according to GE Digital, it can be defined as a software representation of a physical asset, system, or process designed to detect, prevent, predict, and optimize through real-time analytics to deliver business value. Let's try to understand digital twin with the help of a metal saw. As per the definition, we have a software representation of the metal saw, that is a CAD model, and what we do is we run a simulation on it to see when it would malfunction. Now the data set which we would be using to run this simulation is collected in real time from, say, students currently using it in college workshop. This is done with the help of IIoT devices, which then stack up this data on the cloud server. These data sets are then used to predict and prevent the malfunctioning of these blades using predictive analysis. This predictive analysis leads to less human intervention, which in turn leads to better performing equipment, which can save a lot of money in future for the company.